In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a police car in emergency Hamburg. First, make sure you start your shift in police. So you can start it by going to the police station and then select a department. It's either patrol police, traffic police, or SEK and or undercover. And now click the start shift. And in here you can get a police car by going to the locker vehicles. On the very last part of this hallway, you'll see there a vehicles room with a person in it. In there, you can ask them what vehicle you want to spawn or use for your shift or job. So in this case, I want to get this Wolfsburg handle, which is free, especially for a first time player here in Emergency Homebridge. And outside, you'll see here the expound par you request. And that's it. That's how you get a police car in Emergency Homebridge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.